Welcome to SKBI Academy. In this session, we will learn how to enter data manually in the Power BI. So there is option of entering a data manually in the Power BI. So let's go ahead and start entering the data in the Power BI. Here you can see that enter data tab is there. You can click on enter data, and from here a pop-up will appear, and from it you can enter the data, whatever the data you want you can enter it here. Let's enter the employee information. So let's get the employee ID first, then second column as employee name. So employee IDs will be 1 2 3 4 and 5. So employee name, let it be Suraj, second Aniket, Durvesh, then Sagar, then Saurabh. Okay, if these are the employee names, and let's give a table name as a employee. So whenever you enter data in the Power BI, you can enter it through the create table, enter data, and here you can create a table, and you can just click on load, and whenever you load the data, it will go to the Power Query editor, and from the Power Query editor data will be loaded. So you can see this data in the Power Query editor. Basically it is created from the Power Query editor. So see, the table is getting loaded now, and now you can see the data after loading the table. So this is a very easy process of adding a data manually in the Power BI. So 5 rows are loaded, and now when you click on the table view, you can see that data there. So it's very easy process. Just see the employee name, and employee ID and employee name both are there, and the data is also here. So see you in the next session. Till then, keep learning